In this video, I will briefly demonstrate the basic procedures and results for Lab 3. Here's the transaction diagram we will be simulating in Lab 3. The essential steps for simulating the will mechanism are the following. First, the publisher client must configure a will message, topic, and quality of service level when connecting to the broker. The subscriber has to actually subscribe to the will topic. Next, the publisher client needs to be disconnected unexpectedly, such as by closing the MQTT.fx publisher application. Finally, the broker detects this and delivers the will message to the subscribing client. So for Lab 3, we have the same three windows open on our desktop. We have a subscriber client, we have our publisher client, and we have our Wireshark application. So the key step in Lab 3 is to configure the will parameters for the publishing client. And what happens is if the broker detects that this guy has stopped sending data periodically to it using the ping mechanism or has stopped sending messages, what it will do is it will publish a will message on a will topic to any subscribers that happen to have subscribed to it. Okay, so how do we set that up? We need to edit the connection profile for the publisher client. And when we look at the connection profile, right, normally we've been focusing on the general MQTT client parameters here. But here we go to the LWT setting, which is last will and testament settings. And I've already filled this in. I've been playing around with this for a bit. So I've already filled in a topic, right? So this is going to be our will topic. And basically all I did is I just reused the application topic that we've been using for Lab 2. And I put a /will at the end of it just to make this a unique will topic. There's a paragraph here. You can create a will message. So I've created just a very simple short will message. And finally, you set the will quality of service level, and we're going to leave it set to 0. Right? So when you've set this up, you just click apply, and then the last will and testament parameters will be set for the publishing client. And of course, these are applied when it first connects to the broker, okay, which is what we're going to do now. So let's start a capture, right? So we'll click the gear icon, make sure our interface is set, make sure our capture filter is set, and we'll start a capture. So the first thing we're going to do is just sort of simulate the normal situation where we have the publisher publishing messages to an application topic. The subscriber subscribes and receives those messages, and then we do something to basically kill this instance here and see the will message in action. So let's connect the publisher client to the broker. Let's connect the subscriber client to the broker. So here's the key thing. The subscriber client now, so we're going to subscribe to the application topic, and we have to subscribe to the will topic. Okay, so the subscriber now has subscribed to both an application topic and a will topic. Let's generate some application messages. So on the publisher, we have this is our application topic here. So let's send some data. Okay, we'll send it at quality of service level 0. So if we click publish, right, the subscriber has subscribed to this topic, and so it's going to receive messages. So everything is just working normal here. And let's say we have something that causes an upset, whether maybe the battery dies in the publisher, or again, like I said, for some reason the keep alive timeout times out in the broker. We want to simulate the transmission of the publication of the will message. So let's kill this MQTT.fx instance by clicking on the red X button here and just confirm, yep, we really want to quit MQTT.fx. And so we've lost our publisher client, and look at in the receive messages here on the subscriber, we've received the will message. And this is really the desired outcome for Lab 3.